Hi, if you are new here, welcome to Best Kitchen Guide. In this channel, we aim to inform you about the latest and greatest tools that are used in kitchen and cooking. If a product passes our rigorous testing, only then it gets recommended by us so that our viewers don't have to face any buyer's remorse. Our evaluating process includes extensive testing, features, and prices. So if you pick the items featured in this video, you can be well assured that you are buying the best product possible. Please check the description below for our featured top 5 product links from Amazon for updated prices. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So let's get started.
Our number one choice for top 5 best oil sprayer for cooking is Misto Oil Sprayer. Its Misto sprayer comes as close to commercial sprayers as possible without the use of potentially harmful propellants. It sprays same micro droplets of water onto your food, providing the same uniform and consistent coating of oil. It's easy to utilize. The cap that looks like a pump is easy to use, and takes only 2 steps. To disperse the mist, you just need to pump the container, then close the valve of the sprayer that is pressurized. It's also very versatile. The majority of the oils you love and vinegars, citrus juices, sherry, as well as Marsala wine can be sprayed using the sprayer. If there's any drawbacks is that the sprayer comes with a number of moving parts to clean. Misto is a refillable oil spray bottle and mister bottle which offers you advantages in convenience, health and hygiene of standard aerosol sprayers in a healthier, environmentally friendly, cost-effective and sustainable method. Make sure to fill Misto with your preferred oils, vinegars, lemon, lime juice, sherry as well as Marsala wine. Ideal to add dressings to salads, breads, and salads as well as for cooking. Number 2 in our side is Wayipt Oil Spritzer. The stylish oil sprayer has lots to provide. A small and comfortable to hold food-grade glass bottle and a stainless steel nozzle with an anti-slide feature are only a few of the amazing design attributes of the sprayer and features, particularly considering its low cost. It's not necessary to waste time pumping. All you need to do in order to use an oil mister is push the button. When you spray olive oil or any other cooking oil, vinegar, soy, or sauce, the result will be an airy mist that covers food with precision. The sprayer includes 2 cleaning brushes as well as additional tubing to prolong the life of the product. It is simple to use. Simply press the button and you'll receive an airy mist. The pressure must be quick and even. The effects of mist will become improved. It is necessary to wash the spritzer with hot water and then dry the spritzer's water before using it. Third in our best oil sprayer for cooking list is Evo Stainless Steel Oil Sprayer. Its Evo Stainless Steel Oil Mister is a favorite choice because it provides a beautiful even coating of cooking oil, without the necessity of pumping prior to. This sprayer is constructed from 18x8 stainless steel. It comes with a BPA-free sprayer that has ergonomically designed trigger. To release the oil used in frying out of the bottle, you just pull the trigger once. In addition, every pull releases the same amount of oil, so that you are aware of what amount of oil you're using on your food or on your cooking surface. The nozzle is designed to create a vertical or horizontal fan spray pattern, which gives more control and precise application. The oil mister comes with an enormous capacity of 16 ounces, making sure that even the most dedicated cooks will not have to refill the bottle every time they need to. For details, let's watch more.
Hello, and thank you for purchasing your Evo oil sprayer. Evo is going to change the way you use oils and vinegars in your kitchen by giving you better control, better flavor, and better coverage than you've ever had before. Now, before you get started, we wanted to give you a few pointers so that you can get the most out of your Evo sprayer. With every one of our Evo sprayers, whether it's our 18 ounce, our stainless steel, or our 8 ounce, they all come with the same patented trigger head. Now, when you take it out of the box, you're going to notice on the trigger head there's a long dip tube. This is the tube that goes into the liquid in the bottle. You'll also notice that the tube is actually curved. Now it's very important that the curve of this tube actually faces in the same direction as the actual trigger handle. So if you notice in this case that it's not facing in the right direction, we want you to simply turn that tube like so that the bottom of the tube is in the same direction as the trigger. This will ensure that your tube always stays in the liquid and that you can always spray every last drop of your oil or vinegar out of your Evo bottle. Now once you've done that, you're ready to choose your favorite oil or vinegar to put in the bottle. We've conveniently included with every Evo sprayer a wonderful funnel, and the funnel simply screws right onto the bottle. Okay, so all you have to do is twist this funnel onto the bottle, and it's secure now, so you can pour any oil or vinegar with confidence and without spilling it into the bottle, like so. Here I'm going to put a little olive oil. Now once you've filled your Evo bottle with whatever you like, you simply remove the funnel. And what I love about this funnel, another little feature, is there's a little hook here that allows you to rest it on top of the oil bottle or vinegar bottle, so while you're waiting to refill it the next time, it's always there and handy and ready to go. Now, once you've done that, simply put your trigger head onto the bottle and twist it and screw it on to secure it to the bottle. Now, you'll notice that there is a little silicone band around the neck. This may be included with your Evo. These are reversible label bands that help you to identify which type of oil or vinegar that you have in your Evo. Now you're ready to go in the kitchen and get cooking. So, two different ways you can spray with your Evo oil sprayer. First is a horizontal fan spray, okay? Notice here on the front nozzle, it is running horizontally. That'll give you a nice wide horizontal fan, like so. Now, if you want, you can do a vertical fan spray by simply turning the nozzle. This is now going to do the same wide spray, but in a vertical fashion. Now, another important tip for your Evo is depending on how far or close you are to the plate will determine how wide or narrow the spray is. Now, if you get further from the plate, you'll get a very wide spray like this. If you get closer to the plate, you'll get a more controlled and narrow spray like this. Now, one last tip for your Evo sprayer, and it's very important. When you use the trigger, you want to make sure you do it in one continuous motion or short bursts like this. You do not want to pull it slowly. That'll ensure you get that perfect spray every time. Now, thank you again for purchasing your Evo oil sprayer. Here are just a few of the ways you're going to get to enjoy it in your kitchen.
Our fourth pick is Pure Light Spray Olive Oil Mister. The beautiful blue hue of this glass bottle is more than beautiful. It also serves to make the bottle darker to block sunlight from entering and prolonging the shelf life of the oil within. The sprayer creates an even, fine mist that's perfect for a wide range of uses for coating baking pans, food items or even baking dishes. To apply, you simply lift the cap and lower it 30 times, until there is resistance inside the bottle. After that, pressing downwards on the nozzle and the perfect layer fryer oil will be dispensed. This cooking oil spray bottle coats pans with a fine even layer of your preferred vegetable oil like grapeseed or avocado. If you are looking for a cost-effective alternative to oil spray bottles such as PAM sprays like an aerosol, but using the pressure of air instead. To better store the oils and keep contaminants out of the oil, as happens in plastic containers, the bottle is constructed of food-safe, BPA-free glass. The unique patent-pending black film has been coated to prevent UV rays from piercing the glass and damaging the oil, and also to prevent the glass from breaking in the event of a drop, ensuring greater security and less cleanup. Due to the oily slick on the kitchen floor tiles, it is an essential feature. Last in this list is Evo Reusable Oil Sprayer. It's essential to have a sturdy oil mister in case you intend to grill it, as the most undesirable thing to have to see is broken glass for your deck. Since it's made up of plastic, the spray bottle is the perfect choice. It's latex, BPA and DEHP free, so don't worry about it. Another important feature is the sprayer can hold 18 ounces, which means you are able to use it for more than simply spraying huge parts of your meat. The oil spray, as with the previous Evo oil sprays, is sprayed in horizontal and vertical fan patterns to provide the highest distribution and control. You'll be able to get a clear idea of the amount of oil being released and where it's going. Evo is a beautiful design that is intended to be placed in the kitchen. The shape of the bottle has been created to be durable and long, while the neck as well as the ergonomically designed trigger makes it simple to use. When you spray pure oils, you ensure the purity of your food and avoid the risk of high pressure and often flammable aerosols from your kitchen.